We are going down the walkway to the falls. I did this one at Christmas time, but back with Bonnie and Chris. Look at the spring flowers. Ooh, these are pretty. What are these? I don't know. I've never seen those before. Chris is like, forget the flowers. I've never seen that kind before either. Oh, here's some. This one's pretty. We take flowers to put in there.
Yeah. You see what I see?
Contest. What?
She did not see it when she was here.
What?
Down there.
Okay, how do we get there? Oh. Yeah, we gotta find our way down there. Alright.
You have to go over through the fire or the police somehow.
Alright, well let's see the falls first and then we'll strategize how to get down.
I told you there was an abandoned building here. And you said, I didn't see one. Where is it? Where was it?
Okay.
Down there.
Well, there's a path to get there, so we can get there. We're gonna do this.
Go over that way more.
We're gonna do this. That's our mission. I was here at night, that's why I didn't see it. It was dark when I got here. You can never have too many pictures of waterfalls or videos of waterfalls because they're cool. Maybe we'll catch a train. I'm gonna find my way down there. I will find my way down there to that abandoned. Yes, I will. I don't think I came this way last time. I think I just went straight back that way. Probably, yeah. Wow, look at that tree that's on there. Wow. Listen to that sound too. Wow. This is the one I came to in the winter. Go the other way. Chris has squeaky shoes. Oh, gosh, it's cold. It's almost as cold now as it was when I came here in the winter. Sheesh. What's up, Bonnie? There's clearly a trail there. Totally didn't see that trail last time though. Whoa, I want to go down there too.
You would think it was right here, so you hear the echo.
Yeah. This had to have been something with the waterfall, maybe? I don't know. There was some kind of building here, though. Wow. And it's raining little ice balls. Totally finding my way in there. Wet rocks are gonna be slippery. That kind of sucks. Gotta go for it though, 'cause I gotta see. Grr, I don't know the best way to do this. Sorry for all the jiggliness, but I gotta climb down this rock. And find the best places to step. Oh, that broke. Gotta be careful with these wet rocks too, though. Holy cow. Look at that rock. Wow. Well, we're right down here. Dang. This could be a bad idea. I don't know. Oh, I don't think that's going to work. I don't think I'm going to be able to walk along that ledge. I might should turn this off and then put it back on in a minute.